The water stack of the future is something that is highly uncertain in a sense, because nobody can predict the future, particularly with the technology that is changing so quickly, and also with global risks like climate change. So we have to kind of take that into account when we are thinking of how our technology and the impact on the water utility of the future is going to look like. The technology of the future will have to be something that is easily scalable and something that will be upgradable, like plug and play technology of today. But what I envisage is that this type of technology will become ubiquitous because of the economies of scale. Everything is going to be digitalized, and the water utilities will obviously take advantage of that. With economies of scale, we will also have that it will be affordable, and not just for the big players, big utilities, but also for the smaller utilities with limited human capacity and limited, obviously, financial means. As far as the tech of the future is concerned, we will see that it becomes much closer to the user in a sense that is going to be simpler to use all this tech and software. And we can see that already happening with the addition of artificial intelligence to help anticipate and also support the user in performing their normal tasks. The technology we're talking about is going to help water utilities around the world, but particular impact will be felt by smaller utilities, those that have limited human and kind of financial capital to invest because of the affordability of the technology, but also because of its effectiveness. They will see a huge improvement in the operation and management of the precious resource. And with that, I think the impact is going to be much larger on these smaller utilities. In particular, I think Sub-Saharan Africa, South America and Southeast Asia, or parts of Southeast Asia, will benefit immensely because of kind of piecemeal smaller utilities who are desperate for the technology that can be afforded by them, but also that will help the limited kind of operating capacity to be utilized to its maximum. Operators who may be very experienced, or those that are drawn into the water industry as of late, will benefit from this technology because they can then have much more support in terms of what needs to be done, forecast, scenario playing, which in normal situations they wouldn't be able to do without this water tech. In order to be able to manage the system that they have under their control, the operators would be best served if they can invest in some measurement devices. Obviously, without measuring, we cannot manage, and also in some simulation software, so that they can actually create a replica or digital replica of their system. They can test different ways of managing it. So that would be the best way forward, or the first step on the digitalization route.
Katie,